change of plans. Dilly-dallied enough that now it's 3 p.m. So we're gonna head on to the hotel. Ooh, that's good. Stopped and got a coffee. I got a cheese Danish. Don't judge me. Judge me. That's fine. We're gonna go get checked in and start working on some projects. This humidity here got my hair looking crazy. Jane's being my GPS today. Just following her around. It's like I get to turn my brain off and just watch her car. It's nice.